Hello and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to decorate your cake with butter icing. So if this is literally what you're really interested, please sit back, relax and stay through this video, okay? So for the ingredients, you'll be needing your icing sugar, your butter or your margarine, your colors. I have navy blue and yellow over there, and your glucose. This glucose can help to stick your cake firmly on your board. So to a different bowl, you'll be sieving out your icing sugar properly, okay, to get rid of particles. And you need enough icing sugar for this process. In another bowl, I'll be creaming my butter and my icing sugar together. And you continue to cream this butter and icing sugar together until it is creamy or fluffy, okay? At this point, it is getting closer, okay? Your butter should be loosening up a little bit. Remember to scrape the sides of your cake to remove those burnt surfaces. So for the coating, I'm going to make use of my knife and my fork for the design. Over here, I went in with the colors, the navy blue and the yellow. I'm going to use the piping method. Over here, I have my plastic bag and my nozzle. I'm going to be adding my butter into my plastic bag that has my nozzle. I'm going for the piping method. There are two ways you can cream your cake, is either piping method or making use of the spatula, but I'm not so perfect with spatula. That was why I went for piping method. I'll be dropping a plate and the board that has my cake on top of it for the piping, so that it can easily help me to move around while piping this, okay? That was for the easy movement. And you have to be generous with this process. So I'll be going in with the yellow color, the same piping method. And I'll be scraping out excess of this butter using my knife. So I'll be scraping excess of this. And for the design, I went in with my fork, okay? I gave it the design I want it to be like. And you have to be consistent with this and make sure this fork didn't dip into this butter icing. And before you go over to the next color, make sure you wash off those colors properly before going in. Make sure you butter ice the first coating. You coat this cake first with your butter before going in with your designs, okay? At this point, I'll also be piping the top of this cake as well. And don't forget to scrape out excess of this, okay? And while dealing with a different color, make sure you wash off your equipment before you go over to the next color. So for the design, I also went in with my fork to give it a design as well. And guys, our cake is ready. And if you're still watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye.